Let's make a stand for these. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be making a banana or fruit hook. Attempting to, at least. The wood I chose for this project is called Sapele, or Sapele. Not exactly sure how you pronounce it. I wasn't sure what to expect with it, but it turns out it's a really beautiful piece of wood. As far as thickness goes, I wanted everything to be about 3/4 of an inch thick. So I took a bulk of the material off here at the bandsaw and then dialed it in with the planer. And again, no dog's ears were hurt in the making of this video. When I was looking up reference photos and doing some research on fruit hooks or banana hooks, most of the ones I found had a arch, like a swoop to them. I didn't care for that. I wanted to do more of a right angle or a straight version of this. The ones that I did find like that, they were usually at a 90-degree angle. And so here I'm kind of eyeballing just a different angle. I didn't want it to be 90, and I wasn't sure what I wanted it to be, so I just used a little quick clamp and figured this was a nice angle, and that's what I went with. Here I'm finding the center line of the board. I'm going to do a half lap on these. So to find the center, I just did an X, and that's your center point. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to use the table saw to hog out all the material for the half lap joint. Here I'm just testing it to see if it fits. And again, there's no real measurement as to how far over the back it's going to be. It's just what I think looks nice to me. And then I'll do the same on this side, and hopefully they fit together. We'll see. Here I'm marking the depth for my tenon. I'll use the same process I did with the lap joints over at the table saw, except it'll just be on all four sides. Now, to be honest, hand tool work and chisel work is very new to me. I tend to overthink things a lot. So the reason for this block that I put on the piece is I assumed I could use the flat side to reference all the way down through the piece, and therefore making a very straight up and down cut. But I abandoned that theory really quick. Now, that very well might work. I just was lazy about it and decided to not use it.
You need something else. Hey, it works.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Come with me, see how I make something else. Thanks for watching.